Hi, I'm Derek with DTE Energy. We're making Ann Arbor's electric grid smarter, stronger, and more resilient with smart technology. Smart devices act a lot like the switches that control the power inside your home or business. When something like lightning or a fallen tree hits our lines, smart devices quickly turn off the power to keep you safe. If there's no damage, the power comes right back on. If there's still an issue, our control room is alerted to exactly where the damage is located, so crews can arrive and fix it faster. These smart devices can also reroute power to many customers during an outage to keep lights on while repairs are made. We expect to automate 25% of the grid that serves Ann Arbor by the end of 2025. This will result in fewer and shorter outages. You can learn more about the DTE transition to smart grid and how it benefits you by visiting empoweringmichigan.com/reclosers. Thanks for watching.